Now, this video you're going to learn how to find the end stem of a sequence, an arithmetic progression precisely. To find the end stem of a sequence AP, you use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 bracket D. This formula has values where you have A as a first term, D as a common difference, and n here is the number of terms, which is also here. So if you're given a question, let's say a sequence having 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, 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 and they ask you to find maybe the seventh term. Now, how would you do this? Using the formula, all you need to get is the first term, the common difference, and the number of terms obviously is given to you as a seventh term. So the first term is actually the first value in the sequence, which here is 2. So we can say that A is 2. The common difference is the number added to each of the terms to get the next term. So basically, for you to get 4, you have to add 2 to the first term here. To get 6, you have to add 2 also to 4, and to get 8, you have to add 2 to 6. Or you can find a common difference by using the second term to subtract the first term, or using the third term to subtract the second term. So basically, from this, the common difference will be 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Putting this in the equation, we're looking for the seventh term. So we'll have t sub 7 is equal to, the first term is 2 plus n is what? This is 7 minus 1, and the common difference is 2. So basically, we'll have 2 plus 7 minus 1 is 6, and we have bracket 2. So we'll work with this part first. So we'll have 6 times 2 is 12. So we'll have 2 plus 12. So basically, our seventh term is 14. And that is how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. But let's do another one, just to see how it's like, basically. If you're given a sequence, for example, 3, 6, 9, and they ask you to find the eighth term, you're still going to use the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 bracket D. So you can still write the formula if you want. So this formula, you must know it to solve the nth term of an arithmetic progression. The first term here, A, is what? The first value is 3. The common difference is what? 6 minus 3. So we have D is also 3. So putting this in the formula, we'll have t sub 8 is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 1 bracket 3. So we have 3 plus 7 bracket 3, and we'll multiply 7 times 3 to give us 21. So we'll have 3 plus 21, and the eighth term is 24. So that is how you solve for the nth term. You can try practice questions, but we'll also make a practice question video on finding the nth term of a sequence. But something I just want to leave with you right now is an easy way for you to be able to get the number of terms or the nth term of a sequence. Now, if they ask you to find the eighth term, for example, you can understand basically that the eighth term, instead of writing this long formula, is also given as t sub 8 equal to a plus 7d. You notice it from here. This is the first term, this is the 7 here, and this is the common difference. So basically, you can find any number of terms. The value attached to d must always be less than the nth term you're looking for. So if you have to find the 7th term, is going to be a plus 6d. If you have to find the 11th term, is going to be a plus 10d, and just like that. All right, so this information is good. Now, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe and also leave a like too. Thank you very much.